All right, guys, we just landed in Adelaide Airport. It is literally freezing cold, but that's not going to stop us. So let's get going to our customer's house and we'll get started on this project. Welcome guys, my name is Ben from Flow Brackets. Today we've got a bit of a special video. It's going to be a very different style of video to the ones that you've been seeing recently because one of our high-end clients in South Australia has given us a call because he's getting a brand new car and fitting some brand new plates to it. So the problem with a brand new car is that we haven't yet developed a part or a number plate mounting solution for it. So he's enlisted our help for one of our premium services to create a custom-made solution just for him and his vehicle. And this is rarely a process that we document because we do offer this premium service for our exclusive clients. And I thought that I might bring you along on this journey. So one of our customers in South Australia has just bought a brand new car. It's an AMG GT63, but he wasn't quite happy, okay? Now let me tell you why. On this Mercedes, there's this giant, big OEM plinth to mount your number plate. Now his custom plates that he wants to mount on his car are significantly smaller. So he wants us to make a miniature plinth to mount our brackets on so that he can have his number plates cleanly mounted onto this car. So you must be wondering, why are we here and why are we not in South Australia, in Adelaide? Very rare opportunity, borrow the car for about an hour to 3D scan the front bumper so we can create this part for him. So by the time we create this part, we can fly to South Australia so that our client on delivery day can install his plates. First part of this tailor-made process is to 3D scan the front bumper so that we can create a part. So I'd like to introduce you to Hung, who's our lead designer on all brackets and plinths. And he's going to walk you through the process on how we're going to get the 3D scan on this car.
We're going to be scanning this brand new GT63. We're going to be removing the factory plinth on the car. We'll be scanning it and designing a part for it so you guys can install your plates. So what we'll be doing first is we'll be removing this large ugly box. We call it as the OEM plinth. And what we have to do is we have to remove these screws, clean the car up and scan the car. And that way we can get the data to design our part. So now that we've finished up the scan, we've got all the raw data that we need, and then we can go back to Flow and design our part for the car.
All right. So Hung's finalizing getting his scan data of this car to redesign this oversized OEM plinth to a miniature version. Once we've got the scan data, we can jump back to our design studio where Hung's going to 3D model this part. So I'll see you down at the design studio. All right, guys, we're back at Flow Brackets headquarters. This is the design studio. Let's go talk to Hung about the design that he's making for the GT63. Come on. All right, guys, we're back here with Hung. Hung's already got his scan data taken off the GT63, and I'm going to pass it over to Hung to talk you through the design.
All right, how's it going? Now we're back in the design studio here with the scan data. So now we've got the car in our CAD studio, and then we can have a look at what we're dealing with. So what we've got here is this quite unique shape here of the grille. And what we want to do is design a part that fits into there nice and snug. So we'll try to use these OEM parts, so like the grille as a locator to design a part. All right, so what we've done now is that we've got the data and we've designed our part to suit the car. So as you can see here, we've really tried to match the OEM lines in there. So our part will fit nice and snug in between the grille and the lower parts of the bumper. So what we've done here is we've used these holes to line up with our bracket ecosystem. So on our software, we can have a look at what brackets will fit this part. So we can see in direct real time what the plate will look like on the car. So this is a smaller 3 to 4 character slimline. As you can see, our part is smaller than the actual plate itself. So once you install it, you won't be able to see the part at all. And with the ecosystem, we can see how our plates will fit with other plates like the Signature, which is a little bit bigger here, or even the larger heritage plates, which will fit just like that. So you won't be even able to see the plinth. And we try to design it so it fits nice and snug in there. So now we've gone ahead and made our first prototype. So as you can see here, it will fit right into the OEM grill here. So we've designed it so that there's 2 different mounting options. So you can run it with a double side tape. So we've added these little pockets to put the double side tape, and also provision to add screws as well. So if you do have a heavier plate, you can use the additional screws to make sure that the plinth is very secure.
All right, so from here, Hung's gonna make a few more refinements to this first prototype, make it a little bit cleaner, and we're gonna fly the real one over to South Australia and install it onto our customer's car just in time for delivery day. All right, so the next scene is we'll be in South Australia installing this onto our customer's car. All right, guys, it is now 5 a.m. We're at Tullamarine Airport and we're just about to fly off to Adelaide to do our final step of this premium service, and that's to go meet up with our client so we can install our brackets and number plates onto his AMG GT. All right, guys, we just landed in Adelaide Airport. It is literally freezing cold, but that's not going to stop us. So let's get going to our customer's house and get started on this project. I think the car's right behind us. Let's have a look. Wow, that looks amazing. I mean, a bit of a shame about the OEM plinth, which I'll explain in a little bit. But the car itself is so beautiful. All right, guys, so we're at the client's house and you're probably asking why we're here instead of the dealership. Yeah. So in the time that it took us to design this part and fly out here, a lot of things have changed. The dealership gave Alex, the owner, a call and said, look, the car's ready to be picked up. Would you like to pick it up early? And you know, who wouldn't want to? So he's gone ahead and picked it up. The OEM plinth was already installed anyway, so that was a bit of a shame. Try and remove this OEM plinth and replace it for our miniature version, because this is just way too oversized and it's going to look so much cleaner when it's smaller and completely floating. Okay guys, we've finished our install on this GT63. Now look at that. That's how you do an OEM plinth delete on a GT63 AMG. Look at the difference between this oversized OEM plinth to this clean look. Come on guys, let us know what you think in the comments. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Let me introduce you to Alex, the owner of this vehicle, who has kindly trusted us with our service. What do you think, Alex?
Thanks, Ben. Thanks for all your effort. And guys, girls out there, guys from Flow Brackets have been unbelievable coming over here to Adelaide from Melbourne. Fantastic job. Can't recommend them highly enough. Thanks, Ben.
You're welcome. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. We are back from Adelaide in Melbourne, Flow Brackets headquarters. As we were installing, we did realize a few things that from a DIY perspective, installing this OEM plinth into the front grille section here was quite difficult because it's quite tight. So we're one of these companies that try to evolve and improve our systems as we go along. So what we've come up with is this, what we call a spacing clamp. Now it does look pretty cool, but it does have a purpose. So this is a 3D printed mock-up of the AMGT grille, as you saw before. And this does friction fit in because it's meant to fit like a glove and it's meant to be tight. The problem you're going to have is trying to install it without it sticking everywhere and having a lot of inconsistencies. So our solution for that is you place this into position first, then put these spacing clamps or whatever you want to call them into the grille to space it out. And then you can remove it again, peel the double-sided tape. And then what I would do is install the bottom first, nice and tight, and then roll it up to the top. And once it's in, you can pull out your spacing clamps. All right, guys, and that concludes our journey for this premium service. If you guys find yourself in the same situation, we don't have a part and the only car that you have is interstate, we can fly to you, create a part specifically for you and your plate. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey. If you guys like to see more of this style of video, follow us for more and we'll make more.